Need to track a wire transfer with Wells Fargo? This video will guide you through the process of finding both incoming and outgoing wire transfer records. As of December 2025, Wells Fargo offers enhanced online and mobile tools to easily access this information. We'll cover how to navigate these features, understand key details, and ensure your transactions are secure. A wire transfer is an electronic way to move money between banks. It's a fast and secure method for sending funds domestically or internationally. Incoming wire transfers deposit funds into your account from a sender, while outgoing wire transfers deduct funds from your account to send to a recipient. Remember, wire transfers are generally irreversible once processed. They also involve fees. For outgoing domestic wires, expect to pay between $30 and $50, while international wires can cost up to $75. Verification requires accurate sender and receiver details, including account numbers, routing codes, and SWIFT or BIC codes for international transfers. First, log into your Wells Fargo online banking account using your username and password. Next, go to your account dashboard and select the Transactions or Activities section to view your account history. Then, filter your transactions by wire transfers or use search terms like wire in or wire out. Click on any individual transaction to see detailed information, including sender or receiver details, amounts, dates, and reference numbers, such as MT103 for SWIFT transfers. Accessing wire transfer history on the Wells Fargo mobile app, version 8.25 or later, follows a straightforward process. Start by logging into the app, where you can use enhanced security features like biometric authentication with fingerprint or facial recognition. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, then select Activity to view your transaction history. Use the filter options specifically designed for wire transfers to locate the records you need. The Enhanced Transaction View provides advanced sorting capabilities, allowing you to organize records by date, amount, or recipient and sender details. Once you've located a wire transfer record in your Wells Fargo account, you'll see several key pieces of information displayed. This data is essential for verifying your transactions and addressing any potential issues. The first key information is the date of the transfer, which shows exactly when the wire was processed. This helps you track the timeline of your financial activities. Next is the amount of the transfer, clearly showing how much money was sent or received. This figure is crucial for confirming the transaction value matches your expectations. You'll also see the sender's name if it was an incoming wire, or the recipient's name for outgoing wires. This identifies the other party involved in the transaction. Finally, reference numbers are displayed, such as SWIFT codes for international transfers. These unique identifiers help verify the transaction and provide additional details about the banks involved. This information is crucial for verifying transactions and quickly resolving any discrepancies or issues that might arise. For record-keeping purposes, you can download your transaction history in formats like CSV or PDF, making it easy to store and review offline. Having access to these details ensures you can maintain accurate financial records and address any concerns promptly. Security is paramount when it comes to wire transfers. Always verify transactions against your statements to ensure accuracy. Enable notifications for wire transfers that exceed a certain threshold to stay informed of large transactions. Wells Fargo employs advanced security measures like encryption using TLS 1.3 and anomaly detection to protect your accounts. Be wary of phishing scams that try to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Always double-check recipient information before sending a wire transfer to avoid sending funds to the wrong person. Multi-factor authentication is now mandatory for viewing wire histories, providing an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Real-world examples show the value of monitoring wire transfer history. Consider this scenario. A business spots a fraudulent $500,000 outgoing wire via Wells Fargo's app. Because they reviewed their history promptly and contacted the bank, they reversed the transfer. Another example involves correcting an erroneous incoming international wire by using the transaction details, including SWIFT codes, to collaborate with the sender's bank. These cases emphasize the importance of proactive monitoring. Wire transfer technology is rapidly evolving. One major trend is the rise of real-time payment systems like FedNow, which enable instant transfers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is reducing the need for traditional wire transfers that can take days to process. Mobile banking apps are becoming essential for wire transfers, offering convenient access to history and initiation tools. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots are increasingly assisting users with inquiries, making wire management more intuitive and responsive. Looking ahead, blockchain technology promises to revolutionize wire transfers with secure, decentralized ledgers that enable instant global payments without intermediaries. This could eliminate traditional delays and enhance security through cryptographic validation. As quantum computing advances, banks like Wells Fargo are preparing quantum-resistant encryption to protect wire transfers from future threats. This involves migrating to new cryptographic algorithms that can withstand quantum attacks. In conclusion, wire transfer technology is evolving rapidly with real-time systems, mobile innovations, blockchain potential, and advanced security measures. By staying informed about these trends and leveraging Wells Fargo's robust tools, you can securely and efficiently manage your wire transfers.